Smart Control just got smarter. iNELS Wireless is now fully integrated into SkyPlatform. With our new architecture, iNELS wireless gateways, including ELAN, RFTC thermostat or mini bridge, are seamlessly connected to the SkyPlatform. This brings powerful new features like advanced HVAC control, multi-protocol integration with KNX, BACnet, Modbus, VRF, AR, audio and even Intercom systems. Inside the Inspinia configuration page, you can now add iNELS wireless gateways directly. Simply enter the device address to bring your iNELS wireless device online. Control lighting, shutters and HVAC systems all from the Inspinia screen with effortless precision. And when you need more, SkyPlatform enables integration with Modbus, BACnet, and a wide range of the protocols, giving you true flexibility. You can also use the SkyThings app to manage your iNELS devices anytime, anywhere. More logic, more control, more freedom. iNELS Wireless is not just simple wireless, but it's professional wireless powered by SkyPlatform.